Welcome to InvestoSphere, the place where smart money moves begin. If you're in your 20s or 30s and wondering how to set yourself up for long-term financial success, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving deep into one of the most important topics of your life: how to build wealth in your 20s and 30s. Most people think wealth is just about earning more. But the truth is, it's about strategy, mindset, and discipline. And the earlier you start, the bigger your rewards. So grab a notebook, because this is going to be a value-packed journey. We'll explore everything from saving and investing to side hustles, credit, mindset, and more. Each strategy we discuss is designed to help you build lasting wealth, not just temporary riches. Ready to change your financial future? Let's get started. 1. Mastering your money mindset. Building wealth starts with your mindset. Before we talk numbers, let's address your beliefs around money. Do you believe money is hard to earn? Do you think you're not good at managing money? Do you feel guilty wanting to be rich? If any of that sounds familiar, you're not alone. But to build real wealth, you need to adopt a growth mindset about money. Wealthy people see money as a tool, not a burden. Start with reading personal finance books, surrounding yourself with financially smart people, believing that you can become wealthy. Ask yourself, what is one limiting belief I hold about money? How can I start shifting that belief today? 2. Budget like a boss. You can't build wealth without knowing where your money is going. The best way to do this is through a simple, yet effective method, like the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, 20% to savings and debt repayment. Use budgeting apps or simple spreadsheets to track your income and expenses. Make budgeting a monthly ritual. Ask yourself, do I know how much I spent last month? Which expenses can I reduce starting today? 3. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. That's why you need an emergency fund. Ideally 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Keep it in a high-yield savings account so it grows a little while staying accessible. Why is this so important? It protects you from going into debt during emergencies. It gives you peace of mind. Start small. Even $20 per week adds up. Ask yourself, if I lost my job today, how many months could I survive? What's my emergency fund goal by the end of this year? 4. Pay off high-interest debt. Debt can crush your chances of building wealth, especially high-interest debt like credit cards. Focus on the debt avalanche method. Pay off highest interest first. Or the debt snowball. Pay off smallest balances first. Automate your payments and avoid unnecessary borrowing. Ask yourself, what's my total debt and interest rate? Which loan can I pay off quicker with a side hustle or budget cut? 5. Start investing early. This is the wealth-building secret most people ignore. The earlier you start investing, the richer you become. Why? Because of compound interest. Use 401(k)s, especially if your employer matches. Roth IRAs or traditional IRAs. Index funds or ETFs. Even $100 per month invested in your 20s can grow into 6 figures by retirement. Ask yourself, am I investing at least 10 to 15% of my income? Have I opened a retirement account yet? 6. Build multiple streams of income. One income stream is no longer enough. Wealthy people build multiple streams. Side hustles, freelancing, e-commerce, content creation, investments, stocks, crypto, real estate, passive income, YouTube, digital products. Use your 20s and 30s to explore and build scalable side income. Ask yourself, what skills can I monetize outside my 9 to 5? Which side hustle excites me enough to start this month? 7. Improve your credit score. A strong credit score equals cheaper loans, better insurance rates, and easier wealth building. To improve your score, pay on time, every time. Keep credit utilization under 30%. Don't close old accounts. Check your credit reports annually. Ask yourself, do I know my current credit score? What one habit can I start today to raise it? 8. Automate everything. Make wealth building effortless. Automate bill payments to avoid late fees. Automate investments so you're consistent. Automate savings into separate accounts. Set it and forget it. Wealth grows faster with discipline. Ask yourself, What can I automate today that will make my finances easier? 9. Keep learning and stay consistent. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's a long game. Keep learning through books, podcasts, videos, and courses. Stay consistent. Adjust when needed. Celebrate small wins. Your 20s and 30s are the perfect time to build strong habits that last a lifetime. Ask yourself, what's one financial book or video I can commit to this week? How will I stay consistent even when motivation fades? Your wealth-building journey starts now. You've just learned some of the most powerful habits and strategies to build wealth in your 20s and 30s. Now it's time to take action. Building wealth is not about making six figures right away. It's about mastering your mindset, budgeting like a boss, saving smart, paying off debt, investing consistently, growing your income, staying disciplined over time. The earlier you start, the more freedom you create for your future self. And remember, it's never too late to start. So here's your next step. Choose one strategy from today's video to start this week. Write it down. Take consistent action. And if you found value in this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to InvestoSphere. Let us know in the comments, which wealth-building strategy are you going to start with today? Hit that bell icon so you never miss out on powerful financial content made just for you. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best investment you'll ever make is in yourself.